Element to talk. Wounded civilian stable and prepped for evac.
Lead, this is Talk. Medical assistance is standing by.
Hands up, now! You can still get out of it! Shot fire! Shot fire!
Chem light out.
Put your hands up!
Shit! They're down.
Anybody hear me?
I'll zip it up.
Put your hands up! Do it now! Hands up! Don't move! Hands up! Get down! Don't move! Hands up! Down! Don't move! Suspect down! Down! Contact is down!
Entry team to Talk. Civilian is obvious DOA.
Talk to lead. Proceed with your mission.
Security. I'll save you. Safe.
Turn around. Keep your hands up.
We're over here.
Police, hands up!
I'll get him ready. Deep breaths.
Element to Talk.
I'll get him ready.
Doc here. Notifying trailer.
Ready home.
Doc to entry team. Trailers en route.
Put your hands down!
Lead to Talk. We have an obvious civilian DOA.
Talk to lead. Notifying medical.
Hi, Mudasir. I got your message about the on-site.
Use of force is authorized against your team lead. Move! What the hell are you doing? Exercise caution.
Huge problem, and been having a lot of issues as well lately. So, give me a call back when you get this, and we can talk about that. And there is also the other incident that I want to talk about as well. Thanks. Bye-bye.
PD, don't move! Police, drop it! I'm not!
This is Talk. Proceed with your mission.
Police, get down now!
Guess these guys were here for the safe.
Restraining. In the way, Chief. I'll bag it. All finished?
I can't feel my hands.
Securing.
I'll get
Good to
it.
go. Securing. LSPD, hands up! LSPD! LSPD, hands up!
Show me the palms of your hands. LSPD, hands up! Don't move! Get down and put your hands up!
Please, hands up!
I want you to get down slowly.